Okay, so now we gotta try to compress it. Push all that crap in there and make it go together. There's a washer or something too?
Yeah, the washer sits on top of the plastic.
No, we got another washer.
This is where we need a triple tree.
We can just push down on it. Like that. Can't see what I'm doing with my head in the way, could you? Here's this one.
Oh.
We have this one.
Hold on.
Did you screw it up?
Nope.
Good. Let me have it before you screw it up again. You can hold on to this one. Okay, we want the steel, plastic.
We didn't put any fluid in here.
I know.
We're running dry.
Yeah. We want fluid in there? Can't put it through the top?
No.
No. Damn. Look at all these problems we gotta do. Where's your fluid at?
I didn't bring any. Maybe we had some.
What kind of fluid do you want?
Fork fluid. Some right there, see?
Heavy, extra heavy?
Nah, but it does.
That's walker fluid.
We're trying to make it so it doesn't come out the vent.
Yes, yeah, it's swishing out the button just fine. Put grease in there, what he needed. Well, what kind of oil do you want?
Medium
Medium.
fork oil.
Medium fork oil. How hard do you ride?
What do you need these? What are these?
What?
What are these?
Those are new O-rings that we didn't put in.
I guess I should take those. I should do that, huh?
Well, you got them for free. You might as well use them.
I'm gonna get them for free.
Well, they come in the kit, so they're free. Because you're not using them. All right. So we need some fork oil. I like 15 weight. 10 is stock, 20 is thick, 15 works good. How much oil goes in there?
I don't know.
Great. Nobody knows anything around here. How much you want to put in there?
Right now.
The right amount. Which is how much?
Somewhere between none and some.
Between none and some. No, it's between none and too much. Right in the middle. Otherwise known as just the right amount. My guess is about 11 ounces, but I don't know. What kind of bike you got? What year?
91.
97 FL turd? FL. You got a lot of FL books.
You have the book out. Oh, no,
There's a Softail book.
That was the parts book for today.
There's a dyna. Where? FXR 82. What year was yours?
91.
91. I don't have a lot of service books. I don't like service books. We got Sportster book.
That's the same.
Same damn book. Same bike, yeah.
Same for him.
93 4 Sporty. That'll work.
We just have to add 2 inches worth of oil.
No, they don't change the oil for different heights.
You know?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Things you learn.
No, oil's oil. It's in the hole. If it's in the hole, it's in the hole. The damper has to be covered. That's the key. Doesn't matter how much air is above it. But I think it's probably going to be about the same as everything else, but who knows. There's a lot of engine stuff in there. You know, there was probably an index someplace if I used it. There's a bleeder. Oh, there's a fork. Ooh, look at something highlighted. Type E. Yeah, I didn't use E. Holy crap, 12.1.
12.1.
12.1, damn, it's 10.7. That's 11 ounces if it was wet. 12 ounces cold. Or dry in your case. Okay, 12 ounces of fluid, that's a lot. Geez, good thing you got a whole quart there. That's 24 ounces. We got 36, so we can spill quite a bit, still be okay. We can drink it, spill it. Okay, this is 15 weight instead of 10 or 20. If it's too stiff, then you got the wrong weight. If it's too soft, you need thicker. Ooh, look at that.
Set this down before my
Did you clean this out?
gimpy hand.
Did you clean this out yet?
No, that was your job.
Well, I can't. I'm holding the camera.
And it shows how to
Very important.
clean that out.
Yes, very important. Make sure we do this correctly. We wouldn't want to look like morons or anything. Oh, it's my flashlight. I could stand over here with the lights better.
Yeah.
Still ain't good enough for me. Let's see, you want how many ounces?
12.
12? Well, this only goes up to 18. 12.
Okay, so right about there.
Actually, a little extra for cling.
Well, we need a 0.1.
Got two. Look at that.
Perfect.
0.2. This looks thirsty. Does this go in here? Does it come out the bottom?
Hope not.
Look at all that crap in the oil. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, it's gonna... I almost put too much in there.
Is it all the way extended?
Yep. One gone. Hole's empty. It went past the dampener now. Coming up again. Look at that. See, that's the oil cling. So
Cling factor.
see how it's gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Gone. Bottomless pit down there. One of those. One of those. All the way up. Yep. Where's the washer? Ooh.
Where is the washer?
It's right there. You got the new seal on there?
Yep.
So you're pushing down and then rotate as you're pushing. So you push down and push and turn. That way the threads don't get eaten up. I used to have a rag somewhere. It's right here. There we go. Okay, what kind of a wrench do you have on this?
I don't know.
About a 7/8.
Nope. Inch.
Inch? Big boy tool. Probably metric. How about this one? This one. Oh, there we go. Okay. Who's going to hold this when we tighten it? You got triple tree to hold us with?
Yeah, I can put it on the bike and tighten it, as long as it doesn't pour out tonight.
Doesn't pour out tonight? It might. It's a Harley leaks. If we hit the camera with us. Should use a steel hammer for that, but okay, that'll work for now. Oh, it works.
Pogo stick.
Stick pogo stick. So you put it right there, it doesn't fall, see?
That's what that's for, right?
This one's ready to go together?
Come apart and then go together.
Oh, I'm gonna take it back apart now. Donk.
I guess you should have got the fluid first.
You know, O-ring too.
Okay. I'm gonna put this on. Stop.
Can you get the O-ring on there?
Yep. You got fluid?
Yeah, right here. Oh, I drank it. It's been drank. What's bothering me? Hello. Down, you're working. Okay, I'm here. Alright, bye. Where's that 12 millimeter at?
Oh, what?
12 millimeter?
Oh,
12 ounces?
yes.
Oh, that's 12.
12 something.
12 something. You sure it's not 12 millimeter? Where's 12 at on here?
Where it was last time? Same place it was last time?
That's right where my thumb is. It looks like the same oil. Same spot. No, your phone's ringing. Oh, that one dropped.
Where's the boss?
The boss.
Boss lady.
Wonder where you're at.
Yeah.
So you fill this up, you gotta make sure you don't overfill it. Then it makes a big mess all over your hand. So you get about that high. Stop. Press it down. Pull it back up. Do that a couple times.
Pressure's on.
If you get on too far, you get a big mess.
The kid, we have to get her a car.
Trouble again. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put the nut on there.
No.
Don't forget the washer. Man. Damn, I'm gonna start.
Got it on there already.
You sure? This one on here before?
Yeah.
Positive?
It's all that fluid in there. See,
It's
there it
on
is.
my hand. Get the thread pop back in. It went in correctly. Uh-oh. What's up? Towel went in there.
That doesn't belong there.
It's the thread takes up the gap in the thread. Okay, once you get most of the way in, you can go with the wrench. And then whack it with a hammer. So at least it's more than what I can get it. Alright, so after it's back in the bike, we're going to have to tighten this up, or he's going to do it. I always want to make sure they work. Appear to be working. Alright, there's one.
There's the other.
That's what brake's using?
Huh?
84.99 brake.
Yep, early brake.
That's not early, that's 84.99.
There, got this for you.
Early brake is lighter. Oh, I got extra parts. Look at that.
You need to ring me up to these.
Screws and that. Good to go. Alright, so how tall are these things? They look tall.
4 or 2 over.
2 over? 2 over stock, 2 over sport.
2 over sport.
That's 4 over.
And then 2 over stock then. Well, I don't know. They're not that long.
Because sport's 2 over stock.
Those were 4 over.
4 over. 4 over something. So, yeah, whatever they are. Alright, well that's how you're not supposed to screw them up. Like we did, almost.
Right.
Hopefully they work. Alright, that's it.